So in the previous class we had completed this chapter. So in this class I will give you the question answer, write them in your copy and learn them. So short questions you will get in PDF file. All the short questions you will get in PDF file. So first of all, D number short answer questions. Define the following: diffusion, transpiration and osmosis. These three are in keywords: diffusion, transpiration and osmosis. This is diffusion, osmosis, transpiration. These three are in keyword. Next is number 3, blood, page number 145. So this is D number 3, page number 145. Blood is a type of tissue responsible for the transportation of substances. Page number 145. Let's recap. Next is number 4, excretion, page number 146. So here page number 146, excretion is the process of removal of waste from the body. So this is D number 4. Next is E number 1, why is transport of material necessary for in a plant or in an animal? Explain. So transport of materials is necessary in a plant or in an animal because, first you will write this sentence because, then page number 137 we will go. Here page number 137, without transfer of substances from one organ to another, functioning of body will be impossible. So this is E number 1, page number 137. Number 2 you will get in PDF file. Number 3, what are stomata? Give two functions of stomata. Page 144 and 145. So this is E number 3. There are numerous small pores on the surface of leaves. These pores are called stomata. This is E number 3. Now function of stomata, page number 145. This is the definition of stomata. Then here two function of stomata. During transpiration, water vapor is released and carbon dioxide is taken in by the leaves from stomata, and then to prevent further water loss the stomata closes. So 2 points you will write. This is 1 point, this is second point. Number 4 also will be there in PDF file. Number 5, name the components of blood. Page number 138. This is E number 5. The main components of blood are blood cells, platelets and plasma. So this is E number 5. Components of blood are blood cells, platelets and plasma. 6 number will be there in the PDF file. 7 number, what makes the blood look red? Answer is hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is present in the blood. So that is responsible. Hemoglobin contains a pigment that is responsible for the red color. So what makes the blood look red? Hemoglobin. Number 8 you will get in PDF file. Number 9, why is it necessary to excrete waste products? Page 142. This is number 9, because many harmful substances are created during metabolic activities. These substances can prove lethal if not removed from the body in time. So that is why excretion is required. So these two lines only you can write. This is E number 9, page 142. Next is F number, differentiate between the following: veins and arteries. Keywords, transpiration and translocation also keywords. You can see arteries and here veins, then transpiration and translocation. So you can write from keywords. So F number, both are in keywords, you can write from there. Next is G number, long answer. Number 1, long answer number 1, discuss all the components of blood with their function. So page 139 and 140. So this is, first is red blood cells. I had underlined, whatever is underlined that you will write. They contain a pigment called hemoglobin. Listen carefully. They contain a pigment called hemoglobin, mainly responsible for the transportation of oxygen in the body. Hemoglobin also transports some amount of carbon dioxide. Only this much for red blood cells. Then your second point is white blood cells. WBC engulf foreign particles and harmful microbes, thus help in fighting disease. They make the immune system of the body. So this is for white blood cells, you will write. Next is for platelets. You will write platelets are fragments of cells responsible for clotting or coagulation of blood. So this prevents excess loss of blood. Clotting of blood is a defense mechanism in the body. And plasma, everything you will write. Plasma makes the liquid part of the blood. It is pale in color and makes the largest part of the blood. So 4 points you will write for the components of blood. G number 1, 139 and 140. Next is number 2, discuss human excretory system with label diagram, page 142. This is the human excretory system diagram, and you will write the human excretory system is composed of a pair of kidney, two tubes called ureter and urinary bladder. So kids, then you will write from here, kidneys are bean-shaped structures which work like filters. When blood containing waste material enter the kidney, the waste is filtered from the blood and the purified blood is sent for the normal circulation. The waste along with water is transferred to the urinary bladder through the ureters. It is called urine. It is expelled out from time to time. So this much you have to write along with the diagram. Next is G number 3. Explain the process of movement of water with a flow chart. Page 144. So this is the flow chart. This is the flow chart starts from here. 7 steps are there and steps you will write from here. First of all, you will write this point, root pressure is responsible for the rise of water to some height. Second point, capillary action pushes the water further up. The rise in liquid in a varotube is known as capillary action. This much. Then this point you have to write whole from here to here, and transpiration only from here you will write. Transpiration, this line you will not write. This is for E number 3. This line you will not write. From here you will write water vapor is continuously removed through stomata during daytime. So removal of water vapor from leaves in plants is known as transpiration. This creates a pool in the underlying xylem tissues. This pool is called transpiration pool, and it creates a suction effect on water column inside the xylem. So this is G number 3. Page 144. Horse question you will get in PDF file. Only this question, which side of the heart has oxygen rich blood? Left side. And which side of heart has carbon dioxide rich blood? Right side. So all other questions you will get in PDF file. Write them and learn them.